All right, everyone. I'm at my favorite card shop called Core TCG. We are doing a Paradox pre-release. I'm gonna call this Waifu Rift because literally there's like 7 Waifu cards in here, and honestly, I feel like that was done on attention. But you know what? They look pretty dope. I love the Mela card. It looks pretty dope. The Sada's card looks pretty dope. They all look pretty dope. So, got this beautiful booster box, and then whoa. We got the beautiful pre-release kits. Got a couple here. So hopefully have a good time. Let me know what you guys think about the set. Hopefully I do some cool stuff with the set soon whenever it gets released. But yeah.
Yo, don't put that.
We got some
Ricky Bobby.
We got some pre-battles before the actual Paradox Rift. But right here, interesting Gudra deck. Looking like I'm right on deck, but yep. All right, got a Paradox Rift at the pre-release event. Let's see if we get any pulls. You guys let me know.
Oh, I actually have very good pulls because I have supporters.
Ooh, nice, really nice. Alright, got another Paradox Rift pack, pre-release event. Let's see. Oh. I gotta build a deck with all these cards still after, so. And nothing? Alright, got another. This is the third pack of my Paradox Rift pre-release event.
Or knows their stuff, so unless the inflow is so I know they played online.
I'm gonna just get right into it. Come on. Oh, nice, Larry. That's sick. Someone else pulled a nice card. Nothing. Last pack for my Paradox Rift pre-release box.
They're right by the laptop where I'm sitting at.
Oh, did you see this? Did you see this? I have no idea what this is. But let's find out.
Nothing. All right, wait. Someone just pulled a nice Gallus Pod special illustration rare. It looks beautiful. Congratulations. All right, we got more Paradox Rift at the pre-release event. Let it rip. Come on, pull a special illustration rare waifu. I know you have it in you. There we go. There we go. Let's go. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, nice. Very nice. That's going to be super useful to you right now. Congrats. Okay, we got another Paradox Rift pack. Still at the pre-release event. Come on. Where that special illustration rare at?
They'll get some rare. You can still win. Because there's a very big possibility that people can crit.
Not bad. Okay, third pack for the second Paradox Rift pre-release box. Can we get a banger? Yeah. You make a 40 card deck.
Yeah. I think those should all be energy under that.
Normally it's 60, but since this is a pre-release event, you do 40.
I didn't get
Something? Anything? Nice? Something?
I need huge.
Last pack of Paradox Rift from the second pre-release box. Let's go. Ooh, Mantic. Really nice card. Love it. Beautiful, beautiful. Good job, good job. Alright. Paradox Rift. Let's see. Not bad. Paradox Rift pack. Hey everyone, unfortunately I did not win the pre-release event. I was 3-1, and then I just ended up drawing a really shitty hand in my next matchup, and unfortunately I lost. So yep, back at my lair now, but I do have this beautiful Goldango. I would like to give it away to one lucky winner. All you have to do is like, comment, and subscribe. That's it. I'll announce the winner in my next video. I'm trying to do one video a week. Most likely around October 30th, you'll probably get my Paradox Rift video along with the giveaway winner. So thank you again for watching this, and I hope everyone has a great day. Bye.